Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we are going to see a very delicious fish recipe and it's Kerala style fish curry which you can enjoy with some hot steamed rice. So let's get started with the recipe. For my Kerala style fish curry, I have taken a Basa fillet cut into medium portions like this, and now we will season them with some salt as per taste, some black pepper, and few drops of lemon juice. We'll now rub the salt, pepper and lemon juice well on both the sides of the fish pieces, and we will let them rest for about 15 minutes. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that we will heat some mustard oil in a pan, and when the oil is hot enough we will add the basa fish pieces seasoned with salt, pepper and lemon juice. Generally in this type of fish curry, the fish is added raw into the curry, but I usually shallow fry them for a few seconds each side. So you can see I have not fried them much. At this stage, I will take the fish off and keep them aside in a plate. And now in the same pan, we will add few black mustard seeds or rye. We'll let this crackle for a while. Then goes few curry leaves. We stir this for a few seconds. We'll add now 2 green chillies split into half and 3 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic. On medium flame, we will saute them well until the onion, ginger, garlic turns golden brown and the raw taste goes away. At this stage, we will add the puree of 2 medium-sized tomatoes. And on high flame, we will stir the puree for 2 minutes or so, stirring them occasionally until water from the tomato puree starts to evaporate. We'll now season the onion tomato gravy with some salt as per taste, a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder. On low flame, we will mix all the spices well until they are well combined. We'll add now little water to form a gravy-like consistency. Mix this well. And now we will cover and let this cook on low to medium flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. It's almost 6 minutes. Let's check the gravy. By now the onion tomato base is well cooked. I'll add now little water to adjust the consistency of the gravy. And now time to add the coconut milk, which will give a rich and creamy texture to our Kerala fish curry. You can use coconut milk powder also if you don't have fresh coconut milk. We will stir the coconut milk until they are well combined into the gravy. And as the gravy starts to boil, we will add the lightly shallow fried boneless basa fish pieces into the gravy. We'll coat the fish pieces with the gravy so that they can absorb all its flavors. And on low to medium flame, we will cover and cook them for 5 to 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, we will check the fish curry. The consistency of the curry should be slightly thick. And finally, into this goes 1 tablespoon of tamarind water, for which I had soaked some tamarind pulp in hot water for half an hour and then strained it. You can also use kokum in this recipe, and this tanginess from tamarind adds a kick to this fish curry, which has a well-balanced spicy, tangy and creamy flavor that you should definitely give this a try. And after simmering the fish for another 2 minutes, our fish curry is now ready to be served hot. And here goes our spicy, tangy, rich and creamy Kerala style fish curry, which is so good to enjoy with some hot steamed rice. So do try this recipe once and subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.